So now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Friday the 26th of February. There are warnings of gales in Shannon, Rockall, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. High west of Fitzroy, 1035. Expected Portland, 1039 by 1800 Friday. Low Morocco, 1020. Expected Trafalgar, 1022 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, west or northwest, 4 to 6. Backing southwest, 3 to 5. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. North Adsera, South Adsera, northwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in South Adsera, becoming variable 4 or less. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. 40s, Cromarty, west 4 to 6, backing southwest 3 to 5. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. 4th, Tyne, Dogger, west or southwest 3 to 5. Fair, good. Fisher, west or northwest 5 to 7, decreasing 3 to 5. Fair, good. German Bight, Humber, west or northwest 3 or 4, occasionally 5 in German Bight. Fair, good. Thames, northwest 2 to 4, becoming variable 2 or less. Rain, fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Dover, White, northwest veering north 2 to 4, becoming variable 3 or less. Fair, good. Portland, Plymouth, northwest veering north 2 to 4, becoming variable 4 or less. Fair, good. Biscay, north or northeast 3 to 5, veering east 4 to 6 later. Fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Trafalgar, cyclonic in southeast, otherwise northerly 4 to 6. Thundery showers, good, occasionally moderate. Southeast Fitzroy, northeasterly 5 to 7. Fair, good. Northwest Fitzroy, Seoul, variable 4 or less in east, otherwise southerly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in West Seoul. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, variable 3 or less in southeast Lundy, otherwise southwesterly 3 to 5. Fair, good. Shannon, Rockall, southwest 5 to 7, backing south 6 to gale 8, veering southwest 4 to 6. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Malin, South Hebrides, southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 until later. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. North Hebrides, Bailey, south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 until later. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. Southeast Iceland, southerly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, veering southwesterly later, perhaps severe gale 9. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. And now here are the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300 on the 25th of February. Tiree automatic, southwest 3, 6 miles, 1027, rising slowly. Stornoway, southwest 3, 19 miles, 1024, rising slowly. Lerwick, west-northwest 5, recent showers, 12 miles, 1018, rising. Wick automatic, southwest 2, 1024, rising more slowly. Aberdeen, southeast by south 1, 24 miles, 1026, rising more slowly. Lucas, southwest 3, 16 miles, 1027, rising more slowly. Boomer, 19 miles, 1029, rising. Bridlington, west by north 3, 1030, rising more slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, west 3, 5 miles, 1031, rising more slowly. Greenwich light vessel automatic, Northwest by north, 5, 11 miles, 1032, rising slowly. St Catherine's Point automatic, northwest by north, 4, 1033, rising more slowly. Jersey, north-northwest, 3, 11 miles, 1034, rising slowly. Channel Light Vessel automatic, northwest, 5, 11 miles, 1035, rising. Scilly automatic, west by north, 1, 19 miles, 1036, rising slowly. Milford Haven, southwest by west, 1, 7 miles, 1034, rising more slowly. Aberporth, southwest by west, 3, 6 miles, 1034, rising more slowly. Valley, southwest by west, 3, 5 miles, 1033, rising more slowly. Liverpool Crosby, west by south, 4, 13 miles, 1032, rising slowly. Valencia, south-southeast, 2, 11 miles, 1033, rising slowly. Ronaldsway, west-northwest, 2, 22 miles, 1032, rising more slowly. Malin Head, south by west, 4, 8 miles, 1029, rising slowly. Machrihanish automatic, southwest, 3, 12 miles, 1030, rising more slowly. And now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours and issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Thursday the 25th of February. The general situation: a high will move east into the Channel and become slow moving over England during the next couple of days with light winds, but a strong southwesterly flow will affect northwest Scotland. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 near Orkney and Cape Wrath. Occasional rain later in northwest. Good, occasionally moderate later in northwest. From Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Southwest 4 or 5, fair, good. From Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. Southwest backing south 3 or 4, fair, good. From Whitby to Gibraltar Point. West or southwest 2 to 4, fair, moderate or good. From Gibraltar Point to Northforeland, northwesterly 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less, fair, good. From Northforeland to Selsey Bill, northwesterly 3 or 4, becoming variable 2 or less, fair, good. From Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis, northwest 3 or 4, becoming variable 2 or less, fair, good. From Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, northwest 2 to 4, becoming variable 3 or less, fair, good. From Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, west 2 or 3, becoming variable, mainly southwest, 2 to 4, fair, good, occasionally poor in Bristol Channel. From St David's Head to Great Ormhead, including St George's Channel, southwest 2 to 4, occasionally 5 later, fair, good. From Great Ormhead to the Mull of Galloway, southwest 3 or 4, occasionally 5 later near Mull of Galloway, fair, good. Isle of Man, southwest 3 or 4, occasionally 5 later, fair, good. From Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, southwest 3 or 4, backing south 4 or 5, fair, good. From Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, southwesterly 3 or 4, backing southerly 4 or 5, fair, good. From Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, southwest 4 or 5, backing south 4 to 6, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. From Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, southwest 4 or 5, backing south 6 or 7, veering southwest 5 to 7 later. Occasional rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Shetland Isles, west 5 or 6, backing southwest 4 or 5, increasing 5 to 7 later. Occasional rain or showers at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. And that completes the shipping bulletin, and it's the end of the day for us here at Radio 4. We'll be joining the BBC World Service in just a moment for a bulletin of world news. Looking ahead, Woman's Hour has got an interesting interview in the morning. Charlotte Sibtain has collected more than 400 vintage wedding photos from charity shops, markets and the internet. She spends her time trying to track down their owners. She'll be explaining how she does it to Anita Rani. Later, Winifred Robinson presents her annual report on a group of people living in Bradford. Since 2007, a study has been charting the lives of 14,000 people there. It's one of the biggest of its sort anywhere in the world. Born in Bradford is at 11:30. A point of view later is called Beloved Boozers. I can't really tell you any more than that because I haven't actually been left a note of whose point of view this actually represents. But one assumes whoever it is going to be looking forward to getting back into the pub. We'll find out at 10 to 9 in the evening. That's it for this evening, though. The time is just coming up to 1 o'clock. So on behalf of everybody here at BBC Radio 4 this evening, this is Charles Carroll at Broadcasting House in London, wishing you a peaceful night. Good night.